Good morning. Today we're making a basic Sundubu Jjigae. Dubu is a Korean name for tofu. And here's our ingredients. Tofu, pork, gochujang, also known as chili paste, sesame seed for garnish, salt and pepper, chicken sausage, garlic and onion, napa cabbage or wombok, kimchi, seaweeds, also known as kim in Korea. Alright, let's start.